Hi and welcome to Ecom by Nick. On this channel we talk about ecom, dropshipping and everything surrounding that. In this video I will go over a landing page and I will just say what I think is good with it, what I don't think is good with it. It is a landing page I built myself, so of course it's good, but I will pinpoint what's good and hopefully you will get some ideas from it that you can implement on your landing pages. So let's jump into the video. This is the landing page and it's just a testing product. I have named it test. It's in Norwegian. It's not my own language, but it was tested for the Norwegian market. So bear with that, but you will see the structure and that's the most important thing, and that's what we will go over. This product page is done with Shrine. I really love Shrine. I have worked with Shrine for many years. I like doing this one product store with Shrine, but also bigger stores. I think it does everything really easy. If you want to try out Shrine, of course I will leave a link below for the Shrine theme. It's a paid theme, so you know that, and it's affiliate link of course. But if you want to try it out, you help the channel, and if you want to try it out, you can use my link, of course. I will also leave a link to Shopify. You get 3 months for only $1. But enough with links. Let's just talk about what we should talk about, the landing page, of course. This is how I structure my landing pages. The first thing you see when you arrive at the landing page, they say that you got 3 seconds to capture your customers. So it's very important because a lot of people will come from the mobile view, so that's the most important view, of course. So if you just scroll like this, 1, 2, 3, you want to be at the add to cart. You call this above fold, and that's the most important thing. So what I will do is, of course, first I will show great product photos with some information on also. That's very important to have great product photos. And today you have no excuses to not have that with all the AI tools and everything. What I do is I have one clean product photo, I have one photo with benefits, one before and after, and often also one with some review on. Then the first thing you see is, of course, that this is trusted. We need to push in trust in the customer directly, because they will think it's 2026 and dropshipping has not so good reputation, so they will think dropshipping directly. So what you will do is you will need to push in trust in them, and then also benefits of the product. But here this is another thing. Now we are talking about landing page structure, but copywriting is also very important, and you should talk with emotions. You should talk directly to your customer, and you should pinpoint a problem they have that they don't even know, and how you solve their problem, of course. So what we do here is we give trust directly. We just show the name, of course, of the product. Then we have a short text about the product and how this will help in their daily life, why they need the product, and you get that all in this short text. So what it says here in English is, do you love coffee and wine? Here we are talking direct to the customer. We are not talking about the product, we are speaking to the customer. You like coffee and wine, but you get yellow teeth of coffee and wine. So do you want to keep drinking coffee and wine and get rid of your yellow teeth in only 1 minute? I got the solution for you. And then you have like 2 benefits of the product against yellow stains, and that it's safe. And then you have a really good offer. Of course, an offer we can do, I have done separate videos about, so go check them out. That's one of the most important thing on your landing page is your offer. I would say it's your ads, your offer, it's the most important thing, and then your product and your landing page. So here we have 1, buy 2. This one I really like one offer I really love that's very easy if you're a beginner is buy one, and the second one is buy two get three. That always works because you're giving them the customer something for free, and it's also very easy to set up. And when we are doing drop shipping, we can also, of course, take advantage of what we are paying for is often the shipping. And the shipping is almost every time the same with if you will send three, like send one. So buy two, get three is a really good offer for us. This time we didn't do that. This time we did gifts. So buy two, get a free scrape. If you buy three, you get two gifts. And here is a bamboo toothbrush and the scrape, and you get three. Then you see we will have some trust, and that's of course the payment options we can offer. And we have one more short review. Then we have some information that's very good to have. Here you want to answer the customer's questions directly, because most customers won't scroll more than this, and then they will decide, will I buy it or will I not buy it? Often they have already decided when they saw your ad that, okay, I will buy this if I trust the site. So here you will take away the questions you think your customer directly has. So here we describe the product, we have the ingredients because it's a product you put in your mouth. So here we directly want to tell the customer this is safe. You can buy this. You can be safe. You already know that you can drink your wine, you drink your coffee, and you don't get yellow teeth now. But now you also know that it's safe. You see the ingredients. Everything is cool. And this we do with a collapse row, and this is also how to use it. Then we will go down to the page. And on the page, we can take a little bit bigger approach to the product and explain a little bit more. For the customers that coming down here, they want to know more. They are not convinced yet. So here we need to convince them. And that we do first with a lot of photos of people using the products and of course results of the product. And then we have some more benefits. And then we have some reviews from Facebook on our product, so trust again. And then we have one, why choose us? And then we have before and after. And here we take away all the last questions they have. Does this work? How fast can I see results? Is it safe? Can I swallow it? Can I use it with regular toothpaste? How often should I use it? So here we really take away the last doubts they have and turn them into customer. And after that, we do a call to action, of course. And here we just tell them our offer again and click here to get it. And you come back up and you can choose your offer. And what we did here, like I said, was with the gifts. And then we have some more reviews if you're not convinced yet. So you see how I structure. It's a lot of trust. It's a lot of before and after. That depends a little bit on the product, of course. This is a really before and after product. And we talk with emotions. We talk about directly to our customer. What are they doing every day? How can we help them? What problem do they have? In this case, it was people who likes drinking coffee and wine. They like, but they don't like the yellow teeth, of course, and we can help them with that in like 1 minute. So this is how I structure my landing page, and I hope you get some ideas from it. Like I said, this is done with Shrine. That's a paid theme. You don't have to use it. You can do this on only Shopify with free themes, of course. One thing I recommend a little bit is Section Store is a really good app where you can get like these sections and things like that, very cheap. But if you want a theme that got everything, then Shrine is really, really good, but it's a paid theme. And if you want to test your own store on Shopify, like I said, you got the link below. And if you want to learn how to do this, you can go to ecombynick.com. I got my video course. And if you already have a store up and running and you need help scaling it, take it to the next level, then you can apply for the one-on-one mentorship. I only take in a few every month, but you can apply and see if I get any spots left for this month or for the future. Just send me a DM and I will send you info, and we can take it from there, of course. Otherwise, I don't want to bother you with more links and things like that. So let's see each other in the next video.